What's up, everyone? So we know we got these Shat Koi babies back in this tank over here. You guys have been, really on me about when is this happening. Well, I'm gonna actually split some of them up today. The plan is I'm gonna probably pick 5 or 7, and we're gonna go ahead and put them up for auction. So the people online who don't have a chance to come here, we'll go ahead and auction off those select few, and then the rest of them, the remaining Shat Koi, I'm just gonna put up $50 a piece, and they'll be here until they are gone. There is a limited number. You'll never get them again. For starters, I know there's a select few like this guy right here. He is an absolute stunner. He's probably the biggest one available. And then we've got that yellow one with the orange head. So let me go ahead and work on getting some of these out of the tank. But I have this bucket. I picked out 10. And these are the ones that are gonna go up for auction. So I'll pull these ones out of here one by one. If you guys see one that you guys are gonna wanna participate and go ahead and give a bid on it, I will probably do this auction on Facebook. And I'll have more details released as the time goes on. All right, so the first koi we're gonna pull out of here, look at this one. He's got a beautiful red head. He's got that orange metallic all over him. He's got different colors here, beautiful structure on his fins, and he's got this bluish sheen over the top of his body. But you look at him from the top, he is a gorgeous koi, which many people see their koi from top in the pond, so that's what a lot of people love to look for. We'll go put him in his tank. All right, number 2. This is more of a platinum edition. He's not quite platinum, but he does have that blue sheen, which that's a little bit harder to find in some of these koi, so definitely a beautiful koi. Let's go ahead and do another one. He's small. He can sit in that tub for a little bit. This guy is small, but he is mighty. So for starters, go ahead and look at him. You see he's got that beautiful, just deep red on his head. He's got a little bit of blue and black and white. He is definitely a colorful koi. This one is a big scale or a mirror scale. You can see he's got these huge scales on his side. It's very metallic. He's got some orange dots on top of him, some yellow on his head, orange by the gill plate. A beautiful little koi. All right.
I love the mirror scale koi.
Yeah, they're awesome. This one right here, he's more of a hodgepodge. Again, you see a common theme here. They've got that blue sheen here. A lot of our koi here at Ohio Fish Rescue don't have that. That was something exclusive to the Shat Koi, so that's why we wanted to keep a bunch of them. You can also see the red and the orange on his head. Very, very attractive. Okay, moving on. This one is what I like to call an Oreo. He's, again, just black and white. He does have a little bit of that blue sheen to him. But he's a decent size. I'd say he's probably about 5, 6 inch. And then we've got this guy here. He is a cool one. So he is, again, he's scaleless, but he also has the mirror scales on top. He is got that blue sheen all over his body, and then he's got this rust, dark colored, but it's also like an orange. That's why I say rust. And he's got a few little white spots right on his head. Beautiful koi. Okay, let's get this next guy. So I tried getting some all over the spectrum here. This guy is a mirror scale, black on top, orange down bottom. People are going to love him. There we go. Let me go ahead and put these guys in the tank. All right, of course I had to save the best for last. You can see this deep yellowish orange on him. We're gonna go ahead and call him Sunshine. He's another scaleless koi, but he does have a few of these big mirror scales. And you look at him on top, look at that. You imagine him at like 2 foot. He's gonna be a stunner. And then this one here is the largest of the Shat Koi and a beauty. He's got that, he's not happy. He's got the red lipstick up front. He's got these little marks on his head. He does have the orange, black, blue all over the top. And he's probably about, I'd say, 9, 10 inches long. So those are our 10 Shat Koi. And these will be the 10 that are going to be going up for auction. So, some details about these Shaq Koi. As you can see there in the background over there, we got the small ones, got the ones for auction. Like I said, 10 will be going up for auction. We will have a first bid on them of $50 because that's what we would get for them selling them in the other tank. So from there, whoever gets the highest bid, I'm going to go ahead and give it 48 hours. So if you're watching this video or you see this clip on Facebook, I'm going to do it cross-platform where you can post in the comments, select your number on the fish, 1 through 10, and then you can go ahead and put a dollar amount you are willing to bid on the fish. And once that timer is up, I will start it the second the video is released. Then when that timer is up, I will go ahead and declare the winner for each one. And I will personally contact you to be able to come and pick up your one-of-one Shaquille O'Neal Baby Shaq Koi. Video is coming out on Wednesday. You guys are all seeing it now. But starting Saturday the 25th is when I will allow them to start coming and picking them up. Like I said, 50 bucks a piece. You can come in, first come, first serve. I know it's going to be tough, but we're going to go ahead and do between the time of 1 and 5 p.m. If you come between them hours, you can go ahead and come and pick them out. I'll have a team here helping me all day. You can go ahead and do it until they're gone. And whatever's not gone that day, I really expect them to all be gone that one day because there's not really many in there and a lot of you guys want them. There's no limit on numbers. You can take as many as you want. Yes, you heard that right. You can take as many as you want. You can take 1, you can take 10, you can take them all if you want. If you're planning to do that, please contact me ahead of time. Saturday, the 25th, 1 to 5 p.m. is when you can start coming and picking up the Shaq Koi for 50 bucks a piece. We really do want to make this a great fundraiser. You know, we had thousands of koi babies, and a lot of people don't really know that when you have koi babies, not all of them make it. That's why we kept them until that they were, you know, a couple inches. And now we are able to go ahead and say, hey, you have a nice healthy fish, will survive in your pond. And this is what we have left, honestly. So we hope you guys are going to enjoy this little fundraiser for us. It's going to help us, and you guys get some awesome exclusive fish from Ohio Fish Rescue. You might be asking yourself, what do the smaller koi look like? Well, here is a good shot on them. Went ahead and rubbed the glass off real quick so you guys can get a nice good look. But there is a huge variety in here. There are still some gorgeous, gorgeous koi. Like I said, these are once in a lifetime opportunity. Once they're gone, there will be no more unless I happen to get the ones I have now breeding. But then they'll be second generation, not as fun. So we're going to keep this as a once in a lifetime thing. Baby Shaq Koi. For those of you that don't know, these were the koi that were bred here by the koi that were bought for Shaquille O'Neal. They were brought to our rescue. We held them here for a couple of months, and then we took them down to Shaquille O'Neal's pond when the pond was done by Greg Whitstock and the rest of his crew. Here's also a look at the 10 koi that are up for auction. As you can see, they are all beautiful. You can get some side shots, see them swimming around in the water. But they are some beautiful koi. There's that little small one. There's a little teeny tiny one in here, that guy. Look at him. He was a little bit harder to see on video, but now that you see him in the tank, he is a beautiful little koi. Okay, before we go, some of you guys might be making the trip in for some Shaq Koi babies. We'll go ahead and let you know what other fish I have available for adoption. I do have golden and regular albino Gibiceps plecos. There's 3 of them. I do have water cow goby, whichever I can find him. He is right under there. I can show you a bigger one here in a second so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Where is mine at? You guys have seen these on video. You guys always ask what they are. Well, there you go. Now's your chance. Those guys can go. What else do I have for adoption? I do have this rather large. He's probably about a 20-21 inch clown knife. I do have some African cichlids. I have a rhino pleco. Look at that beauty, just like the one that we have. I do have a Tereshuki catfish or a Niger cat, Ripsaw. If I can get a good shot of him, there he goes. So he's probably about 9 inches, pushing closer to 10 inches or so. Over here we do have some gar. There we go, we've got 2 of them gar. They are Florida gar and spotted gar. Before I forget, there is also the one gulper catfish left, along with the jelly catfish. These things are nothing to mess around with. They get massive. So like I said in the last video, I offered them up. This will be the last time I will offer him up, or I will end up keeping him. So if he doesn't go this time, then this boy is stuck with me. I'm going to go ahead and just put him in a tank with fish that are much larger than him that he cannot eat. Then I won't have to worry about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a fun one. Hopefully in the next few weeks my editing skills will get even better as I upgrade software and whatnot and learn new skills. So I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am. We will catch you in the next video. As always, stay fishy, my friends.